Welcome to the way of success. This video will change your life. After hearing this line, you must think like that when you will complete watching this video, you will be popular, successful and sharp-minded. But that's not. If you listen carefully and keep all of the things in your mind, then absolutely it will change your life. So the first thing is, question yourself, why are you still unsuccessful? The answers, you already know. The plans, you already know. But not implementing it. Ask yourself, have you ever given your 100%? Can't you doubt your plans? Then you must have this question. Now what can I do? How can I make plans? How can I start this journey? Then follow just these simple tips. Maybe it will seem to you nothing magical, but you can give a magical touch in it. 1. If you don't want to spend an ordinary life, then why are you living ordinarily? Why are you living normally? Wasting your times and delaying your dreams. So stop delaying it and start working for it. 2. If you want to climb Mount Everest and walking 50 steps every day, then for sure you can never climb Mount Everest. So don't be lazy, be progressive. 3. Think vast, dream big, and change your life. Make big targets. If you target for 60%, then how will you achieve 90%? So target 100%. And then you will see you are growing day by day. 4. Be confident but don't be overconfident. Be confident about your plans and strategy. Be confident about your efforts. But don't be overconfident that you will get success so easily. You will not face any difficulty. 5. Be fearless and start taking risks. Don't let the fear and emotions captivate you. 6. Think about your plans, write them down, and complete each goals per day. Read books. Motivate yourself every day. Think about your dreams for at least 10 minutes per day. 7. Avoid negative thoughts and find 5 positive solutions each day. Remember one thing, there is always a solution for every problem. Stay connected, stay safe. Love the journey. Subscribe for more videos.